Good morning, partners. I warmly welcome you all for our Mantra Virtual Channel Partners Meet. I am Piyush Gupta. I am Head of Channel Sales at Mantra Properties. Right? So why are we here? We will just get to know from here on. Why Mantra? So as we all know, we make brilliance happen. What we have done till now, we have 15 plus projects under development, 66 lakh square feet under construction, 11 delivered projects across PMC and PCMC. And of course, we are there in this space for last 14 years in realty excellence. In last 14 years, Mantra Properties is one of the Pune's fastest growing developer. We have projects that are spread across north, east, west, and south of Pune, and of course PCMC. So we have one of the largest footprints and inventory in Pune and PCMC market. So which are our ongoing projects right now? Kahan pe hamare projects chal rahe hain? I'll just run you through that. So I'll start with Mantra Montana at Dhanori, Insignia, Keshav Nagar, 29 Gold Coast at Tingri Nagar, Essence at Undri, Essence Plots at Undri, Mantra Moments in Moshi, Parkview, Dairi, Seven Hills, Cricketwadi, Grandson Trinity at Kothurud, 99 Riverfront at Baner, Monarch Balewadi, 24 West at Gahunje, and of course Mantra Divine at Wade Bolai, City 360 Talegaon, Mantra Magic at Chimli, and Mantra Residency at Chakan. These are a few images of our completed projects. It's Mantra Aira, Mantra Sky Park, Alcasa, Mantra Blessings, Mantra Senses, Mantra Miami, Mantra Yashodhan, and Omega Retreat. So if you see, this is a map where you can actually see Mantra is present across length and breadth of Pune and PCMC market. So now your effort is now a story of success. So what are the highlights of FY 2021? I'll just run you through that. Well, the year started with uncertainties. Of course, the pandemic shook the world. But of course, there were no new launches at Mantra, but we did few phase and building launches at Mantra Monarch, Insignia, Mantra Montana, 29 Gold Coast, and Parkview. We had successful campaigns such as Mantra Ghar Banaye Dhani, 8% ki Amdani, which had a dream run that Great Dhanori Dream offered 2 and 2021. We registered record sales. We delivered a growth of over 40% year on year. Well, when the industry was reeling under pressure, Mantra was performing at its best. Achieved sold out status at Parkview, Mantra Monarch, 99 Riverfront, Insignia, and Grandson Trinity. Well, when record tumbles, headlines are created, and that's what Mantra did. We got featured in Business Today and Forbes. We got recognized across the industry by Lokmat, and of course at the CNN Business in the Real Estate Awards, where we got the award of Emerging Brand of the Year, CEO of the Year, and Marketer of the Year. Thank you. You made the difference. So what Mantra brings to you, we'll look at that. So the upcoming projects at Mantra, where we are launching 5 new projects at Koregaon Park NX, Keshav Nagar, Balewadi, Kharadi, and Akurdi. So these are the buzzing residential locations at Pune. And of course, in terms of inventory, we will be having a perfect blend of residential, retail, and commercial spaces. So I'll just run you through the launch calendar, how we will be planning our launches in this particular year. So in Q1, which is the current quarter, we are launching the last phase at Montana Dhanori and Codename Magnific. Moments, we heard it yesterday that the last hour of Moments is getting launched. And we are here today for to understand about the last tower launch at Essence. In Q2, which is next quarter, we will be launching Monarch last phase, Mundwa of course, and Keshav Nagar 2. Quarter 3 will have a big bang launches at Balewadi 44 and Keshav Nagar phase 2. And Q4 will see a launch at Kharadi and Akodi. So what exactly is the opportunity that we have? The new launches at Mantra this particular year will be adding to about 1500 crore worth of inventory. Yes, 1500 crore of worth of inventory in this financial year. So आप पार्टनर्स दे सकते हैं कितना बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है हमारे पास इस साल में, जहां पे आप लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं और काफी बड़े तरीके से काम किया जा सकता है. All right, now coming to Mantra Connect. Well, Mantra Connect, this was a program which was launched about 2 years back with a sole contention that channel partners के लिए program बना था, जहाँ पे we also understand that channel partners are an important cog in for any real estate industry. If any real estate industry wants to grow big, they have to get along with the channel partners. So, with the sole purpose, we launched this particular mission, basically a program where the mission statement was together towards tomorrow. So I'll just run you through the CP process flow कि किस तरीके से कोई अगर नए चैनल पार्टनर जो हमारे साथ ऑनबोर्ड होना चाहते हैं वो किस तरीके से ऑनबोर्ड हो सकते हैं एंड किस तरीके से उनका जो पूरा साइकिल होता है वो चलता है. So right, for registration onboarding, it's a simple process where any registered channel partners can get on board with us. You can get in touch with any of the RMs and they will run you through the process. Once you're onboarded, आप अपना मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, आप साइट विजिट कराते हैं. जैसे भी आप साइट विजिट किसी भी हमारे साइट पे करवाते हैं, सोर्स ऑथेंटिकेशन होता है साइट पे. उसके बाद द साइट टीम और द क्लोजिंग टीम टेक्स दैट पर्टिकुलर साइट विजिट टुवर्ड्स क्लोजर. एक बार जब डील क्लोज होती है, we have to wait for 10% payment to come in and registration to happen. Once that is done, हमारे RM आपको inform करते हैं to raise the invoice. And once invoice is raised and it reaches to our office, within 30 working days, आपको जो payout है वो release होता है. So this is a simple process. For any more clarities, you can get in touch with your respective RMs. So of course, last year हमारे channel partners ने किस तरीके से perform किया हमारे लिए, I'll just run you through that. Right? So what we did, we reached to a total family strength to 1190. Yes, 1190 members till last year. Total almost हमने 1200 members touch कर लिए हैं. And the target for this particular year is to reach to a partner strength of 2000 plus partners at Pune. Total of 9,400 plus walk-ins were generated by channel partners, by you partners. हमको पता है कि हमारे पास कोई नया लॉन्च नहीं था. Most of our projects were in sustenance. But the kind of commitment which you channel partners have shown, we were really overwhelmed. And हमने almost close to 10,000 walk-ins हैं जो हमने करवाए हैं. So thank you so much for that. Alright, so Mantra Connect concept. So what are our pillars जिसके ऊपर हमने पूरा जो Mantra Connect program है हम लोग ड्राइव करते हैं? Best in industry CP payout ladder. Well, we also believe कि अगर channel partners को अगर हमारे साथ काम करना है और channel partners को हमेशा motivate रहना है, so the biggest motivator is कि हम क्या payout देते हैं. And any channel partners who are working for us, they will vouch कि जो हमारा payout ladder होता है जो quarter and quarter या launch के समय पे जो होता है, that is best in class. And the best thing is कि हम उसको achieve करने के लिए आपको 3 महीने का time देते हैं, जहाँ पे you have enough time that आप top ladder पे पहुंच सकते हैं. Timely payout, of course, आपका बिल जैसे ही हमारे पास आता है, within 30 days of time, we make sure that your payout is released. किसी भी channel partners को हमारे से follow up करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Reward and recognition, of course, it's a partner delight where we believe that we should timely recognize and reward the partners who are working with full commitment and who are remarkably doing well with us for long term. and they should always cherish and value whatever is given to them. Our payout in last FY was whopping 15 crores. Yes, the channel partner payout in the last financial year was whopping 15 crores. I am telling you, ये 15 crores का जो payout है, ये आपने किया जब आपने 10,000 walk-ins करवाए हैं, जब हमारे पास कोई new launches नहीं थे. Most of our projects were in sustenance or there were phase launches. But if you can see the opportunity जो हम इस साल लेके आ रहे हैं आपके लिए, जहाँ पे हमारे पास 5 new launches हैं, 1500 crore का तो सिर्फ new inventory है, plus sustenance inventory है. I am sure with the efforts which I am expecting from channel partners, we will be doing not less than 25,000 walk-ins across projects, across launches, and ये जो brokerage हम 15 crore का देख रहे हैं, it will be easily touching 30 crores plus. And I am sure आप भी उसमें से सब लोग होंगे जो इस पे हिस्सा कमाना चाहेंगे. Right, coming back to reward and recognition, we have of course all the channel partners जो भी जिन्होंने हमारे साथ काम किया, contribution दिया, so we are thankful to all of you. But of course, there are few channel partners who did remarkably well, who have outshone others, और उन्होंने इस तरह commitment से काम किया है जहाँ पे even we wanted to recognize their efforts. So if you can see, there are certain channel partners whom we have recognized their efforts by giving them iPhones. And I just wanted you to hear to them.
I am Sanjeev from 7th Heaven Homes, and we are a reputed channel partner working with Mantra Properties over several years. And the best part while working with Mantra is that the support and the relationship that is created while we are working along with them is tremendous. And they make us feel at home actually, and we are very secure with whatever client registration or site visits or meetings, anything that we do. We are secure that our client is once registered will be closed. Mantra team will do all its best to close that particular deal. So this particular thing motivates us to work with Mantra in all their projects. We look forward to all their new launches. And the best part is that brokerage release is very quick, and that is the best part, and they really take care of our brokerages actually on time.
My name is Abhishek Ramteke. My company name is Prop Direction Realty Private Limited. So my experience with Mantra, it was very good experience with Mantra. Especially thanks with ground staff who are supporting with us, and I hope it will be continue in future also. Mantra, they are focusing for middle class customers. Customer also happy with the requirement, the budget, and the delivery. So customer like that service, Mantra Property service and all that things. So it was very good experience with customers with Mantra also.
हेलो, मेरा नाम तौसीफ शेख है। मेरी कंपनी का नाम आशियाना रियल एस्टेट है। मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टी के साथ पिछले बहुत सालों से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ। तो मैंने जो भी कुछ कस्टमर्स वहाँ मतलब प्रॉपर्टीज जिनको दिलाई है, तो सब एकदम सेटिस्फाइड और हैप्पी कस्टमर है। इसीलिए मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टीज के साथ काम करने में मज़ा आता है, इसलिए हम इतने सालों से उनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं। उनकी और एक चीज़ है कि उनका स्पेस यूटिलाइजेशन जो है अंदर का, वो बहुत बढ़िया है। मतलब एक भी ऐसी स्पेस है जो अनयूज नहीं होती, ऐसी स्पेस नहीं है उनकी। और एज अ सीपी मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि उनका जो स्टाफ है वो सपोर्टिव है, पूरा सपोर्ट करता है वो, और जो अपना ब्रोकरेज है वो पूरा टाइम टू टाइम निकालता है। उसमें कुछ तकलीफ नहीं है, फॉलो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। वो आगे से ही बताते हैं कब मिल रहा है, क्या मिल रहा है टाइम होने के बाद। तो इसीलिए मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टीज के साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है।
My name is Sandeep Dange and my firm name is Elizabeth Kamai. मैं लास्ट 2 साल से मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टीज के साथ में मैं काम कर रहा हूँ एंड मेरा जो फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट जो है मंत्रा मोनार्च बॉलीवुड फुल फोर्स के साथ काम शुरू किया एंड वहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा सपोर्ट मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टीज की तरफ से मुझे मिला, जिसमें संदीप पवार सर जिन्होंने मुझे हर तरह का सपोर्ट जो ऑनलाइन हो या ऑफलाइन हो हर तरह का सपोर्ट उनकी तरफ से मिला एंड सेल्स टीम से भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिला एंड वहाँ पे ये था कि विदिन 4 to 5 मंथ में प्रोजेक्ट पूरा का पूरा सोल्ड आउट हो चुका है। वहाँ पे करीबन 350 फ्लैट्स यूनिट्स थे, उसमें से मैंने करीबन एलिजाबेथ कामे मेरे फर्म ने 45 प्लस यूनिट्स हमने वहाँ पे सेल किए। टर्नओवर काफ़ी अच्छा हमारी कंपनी का भी हुआ एंड सुमित बंसल सर डायरेक्टर उन्होंने भी मुझे मेरा फर्स्ट होम बाइंग के लिए मुझे काफ़ी हेल्प भी किया उन्होंने। तो मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टीज़ के जो पूरी टीम है या डायरेक्टर भी, तो सब तरफ से मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा सपोर्ट मिला हुआ है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टीज।
Well, hello everyone. My name is Nishant Boinalu and I represent Setu Realtors basically. So just a small experience from my end, wherein since we are working with Mantra Properties since a very long time, the support which we are getting end to end basically from the entire Mantra team, which it starts from the roots till the top basically. Okay, so I would like to thank each and everyone over there. Basically, my sourcing manager Deepika, Mr. Nitin Gupta, our manager, Nitin Gupta senior. Other than him, the project basically which we were working on, especially Mantra Montana, where we had a very nice support from right from the GRE Vidya, Mr. Rohit Bhatt, the entire sales team which included Supriya, Swapnil Thorat, Rohan Joshi, and it was actually a very nice experience to work with Team Mantra over here, and that's the result wherein we had closed a number of flats and many deals were closed over there. That's the cherry on the top for our efforts which we have taken for working with Mantra Properties. Thank you.
All right, why are we here today? Well, the life begins here. Get ready to embrace it. 2 and 3 RHK apartments at Undri. Presenting the last tower at Mantra Essence Undri. Life begins here, and how, I'll just let you know. All right, the key features of the project. It's an 8-acre premium land parcel at Undri, a master blend of residential, retail, and plotted development. We have 4 apartment towers, a retail arcade, and plots. Retail arcade, B tower, C tower, and plots are all sold out. And the proposed DP road, which is adjacent to our land parcel, will of course boost connectivity. So in B and C towers, already 250 plus happy families are residing in Mantra Essence with and enjoying all the amenities. And launching the last phase of the project, which is the Tower D. The proposed Tower D will have 2 podium and 13 floors. 2 and 3 RHK premium homes will be launched in this particular tower. Well, the homes are spacious with best space utilization, no wastage, ventilated apartments. The amenities are already ready and being enjoyed by the current residents. So this is how the plan looks like. Its happiness begins here. Welcome to a world of premium living and well-designed homes coupled with lifestyle amenities. right? The opportunities. So the total, the 8 out of the 8 acres of land, 4 acres is for the project, the towers. There are 15 plus schools which are nearby, maximum usable floor space, integrated shopping arcade, and great connectivity. So as I already said, the foundations begin here. There are more than 50 buzzing educational hubs. All the premium schools are very close to our project. All the convenience shopping, of course. So basically, Undri is known for a neighborhood which is poised to be one of the finest residential destinations in Pune. Welcome to a neighborhood with learn, leisure, earn, and live Mantra lifestyle. Undri, a logical destination. Right, coming to the location, if you see, Essence is just on the Kathar-Hadapsar road, and once the proposed ring road comes in, it will definitely boost the connectivity part, and it will be a very good destination to be in. If I have to speak about the schools, right? So few premium schools, the Bishop schools, Eurokids, RIM's International Schools, Sanskriti, DPS are very close by. In terms of hospitals, Sintamani Hospital, Ruby Hall Clinic, Satyanand Hospital. In terms of shopping and entertainment, we have Dorabji Mall, More Supermarket, Royal Heritage Mall, D-Mart, very close to our project. Next slide. Active lifestyle begin here. So basically, it's a gated community which is built around your lifestyle and gives you the pleasure of enjoying every moment to the fullest. We'll have a grand kids play area where your kids can enjoy themselves. Indoor games room. A party lawn. A swimming pool, including the kids pool. Of course, a state-of-art gym. So just a glimpse of amenities, what we have at the Essence party lawn. We have a pool, children play area, barbecue area. We have landscape green, indoor games room, open gym. And of course, at retail arcade, we have retail shops also coming up. Spacious experiences begins here. The homes are in such well designed. They are thoughtfully designed with best space utilization, zero wastage, well lit, and well ventilated. Right, so this is the master layout where the Tower B and Tower C are already delivered. People are staying out here. Tower A, the construction is already in full swing, and the D Tower is what we are launching right now. So the tower highlighted in red, basically, that's the D Tower, and we are here to witness the launch of that particular tower. This is the view, the facade of Tower D. This is the worm's eye view. And this is how the grand clubhouse looks like. Right, the amenities, the amphitheater area, basically, the kids play area. Right, the spacious and luxurious living room. Massive kitchen, along with the dry balcony. Spacious bedrooms. So these are the few highlights of the project. So basically the main entrance from where project will have it will be opening from the new DP road. This is the last phase launch, and we will not be coming up with any new launches in this particular project. So this is last launch, so we want you to make most of it. Well planned and well sized apartments, ready amenities for every member of the family, active community with over 250 plus families residing, a thriving community with a perfect blend of apartments, shops, and NA bungalow plots. Essence, the home to have in Undri, of course. right? So what are the configurations which we are launching at Essence D Tower? So we are coming up with 2 BHK with a carpet area of 707 square feet to 731 square feet, 3 BHK with 902 square feet, and very select few 2 BHK garden and 3 BHK garden apartments starting from 751 square feet to about 1126 square feet. I'll just repeat the configurations again. 2 BHK, 707 square feet to 731 square feet area, 3 BHK, 902 square feet carpet, and the garden apartments 2 BHK and 3 BHK, so starting from 751 square feet to 1126 square feet. I'll just run you through the unit plans of 2 and 3 BHKs. All right, so the plan which you see on your screen is a 2 BHK unit plan, typical 2 BHK, where you have a lobby which will take care of your privacy. We have a very nicely built living room with 15 by 11 area, along with an attached balcony of 11 by 4, a dining room with 7.9 into 4.3, and a massive kitchen close to 10 by 8, along with attached dry balcony. The kids' bedroom is about 11 by 10, and the master bedroom is 12 by 10. If you see, there is no wastage at all, and the space has been very thoughtfully designed. Coming to 3 BHK, the total carpet area is 902 square feet. Again, you have an entrance lobby which takes care of privacy, of course. You have 11 by 15 square feet of living room, along with the attached balcony, and again 8 by 8 massive kitchen with a dry balcony. All right, the guest bedroom is about 10.5 into 10. The kids' bedroom, very spacious, 11.5 by 10. And of course, the master bedroom with 12 by 11 area. All right, now the most critical part, the pricing. So what are the pricing which we are coming up in the last tower, the last phase of Mantra Essence? For 2 BHK, the all-inclusive price starts from 50.51 lakhs. I repeat, 2 BHK all-inclusive price 50.51 lakhs. For 3 BHK, the pricing is 63.25 lakhs all-inclusive. 63.25 lakhs all-inclusive for a 3 BHK. Right? I'll just summarize. 2 BHK starting at 50.51 lakhs, 3 BHK 63.25 lakhs. All the pricing are all inclusive.